Who's ready for some fun? Disney style, Epcot that is. We're going to take a cruise over, go for a walk, just relax and have some fun. Now, the fun starts over at the Swan and Dolphin. These are Marriott hotels, but they're on property and they have their own taxi service, water taxi that is, that'll take you straight into Epcot. Or you can take a 10-minute walk. Once you get to Epcot, guess what? We have the Skyliner. It's pretty awesome. So you can get to other parks and other resorts from there pretty easily.
Trail that falls along the water here. It's about a 10-minute walk to Swan and Dolphin versus a long wait for the boat. If you didn't want to wait in the line tonight, you're more than welcome to take advantage of that. But the boats will be here until 10, so do with that information what you will. As we dock here at Epcot, please remain seated. If you stand, hold on to the handrails and seat backs around you.
There's nothing better than pulling up to Epcot on a water taxi from the Swan and Dolphin Disney Resort. And also, there's no better sight than the Skyliner. I absolutely love it. Check out our channel because we do have a full tour video of both the Swan and Dolphin resorts and other resorts and Skyliner rides and trips to Disney over and over again. So hit that Disney playlist play and just enjoy. Have you been to Epcot before? Well, what was your favorite part? What was your favorite food? What was your favorite thing to do? Let us know. Throughout this video, you'll find a couple of my favorites. Number one, we were on the search for fried dough. If you don't know what fried dough is, well, it's also something called a funnel cake. It's something I love dearly, and I have to find it anytime I'm in any type of amusement park situation. Have you seen the water show and the fireworks show here at Epcot? It's really awesome. I'm working on that video now, so it will be out after this video, but you're gonna love it. Tune in for a great experience. The time has come to sit back, relax, and enjoy a walk through Epcot.
I guarantee it's here somewhere. What are we talking about?
Hey you watching our video, we appreciate you. Thank you so much. While you're at it, give us a big thumbs up. Let us know how we're doing in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.
That is like simply ugly. We get sales like that.
glad John and I did the boardwalk.
You're right, John. Here's pizza.
I want some. I don't want this or Orlando. I know it.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the walk. Book a trip, get your butt to Epcot, and have some fun.